Let's build a RAG system on your Mac. 5 steps, all local. Starts with your documents, PDFs in a project folder. Bait RAG means the model answers from your files, not the open web. Open terminal. We're already in the RAG demo repo. Quick get status. One untracked notes file. With these PDFs are what we'll chunk, embed, and store. Install Chroma and an embedding library. No cloud needed. 注顺嘅大嘢啦，發 given name to be searchable pieces. Step 2. Embed. Turn each chunk into a meaning vector. Step 3. Store. Watch Ingest index every PDF chunk. "42 chunks in Chroma. Retrieval pipeline is ready." I don't remember the exact import. Let me check the docs. Search LangChain there. Only need this one line. Yeah. Copy it back to terminal. Step 4. Retrieve. Embed the query. Find similar chunks. 5. Generate, pass those chunks, and your question to the LLM. Same question. Watch it cite all AECA, AECF, and the handbook. Same answer in a Gradio UI on localhost. Partially brief on policy pulled straight from your index documents. Chunk, embed, store, retrieve, generate. 5 steps, all local. Swap the LLM or vector DB. The architecture stays the same. You just built RAG on your Mac.